And we are telling the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, not to give utterances that can cause anxiety, that can cause problems between the two levels of government. So far right now, as when we contacted our county governments, there is no coin received from the national government for these El Nino issues. We want the government to release funds. There is nothing they can do more than saving the lives of the people. We are calling upon the government to take this matter very seriously before it can go where it is to even...